The purpose of this tutorial is to show you how to create memos quickly inside of Microsoft Word. The first thing you're going to do is click on File, select New. In the space beside office.com, click here, type in Memo, press Enter. When the results come back, you scroll through until you see a design that you possibly like. For instance, if you decided that you like this design, over to the right, look at the thumbnail, and then click Download. When the memo opens up, you can look at it and make any modifications you desire.